Do you like this corner? It looks like a page has been folded in the corner, right? So if I go, let's say I want to check in finance view. See the corner. It looks like the corner of the page has been folded. So if you like this type of corner in your visuals, then keep watching this video. I will show you step by step process how to design this type of corner in your visuals. It's very easy. And also I will provide the link of this live dashboard in the video description. Okay, so let's start making the corner design. So for that, I will have to insert a shape, and I want to insert. I can directly use this snipped tab top right, and say, and for this I will decrease the size of top right snip. I will make it to. It depends on the size of your visual, but for now I want to keep it to 9%. Okay, and I will change. Let's say first I will change this background. Okay, to something different than white. Let's say I want to do this, and transparency 0%. Oh, that's too much. Let's do again. Okay, no, I want to use this color. Okay, and I will change the color of this shape to white, right? And I will also remove the. I will select the shape and go to style, remove the border, right? Okay, and in this now I will insert another shape. Another shape is right angle triangle. Okay, see right angle triangle. I click. Alright, I'm here, and I will change the size of this right angle triangle. I will go to general properties, height. I have to make this height and the base of the right angle triangle to equal. So I will put, let's say, 35 and 35 pixel. Okay, so here this is our shape, and I will drag. Okay, so it's not fitting, right? Because see, the this chord is too high in our visual in the white. So for that I will decrease, let's say, to 6%. I think it will work. And this one, this right angle triangle, I will increase the corner to 9 pixel. uh, I will increase the rounded corner to, so let's say, 9 pixel, and I will just put above, just erase it in the corner, and I will change the color to gray. Just this one. Remove the border, use this color. Okay, it looks similar, but it's not yet perfect. I have to rearrange this position. Let's say I want to increase this. Still, it's not perfectly fit. I will have to arrange the position, and I will go one step horizontally and wheel one down vertically. Uh, Still, it looks somehow, but still not perfect. I can still arrange it. Let's say still decrease 7 pixel. How does it fit? So does it look good? Okay, and in this one you can put any visuals you like. And also I want to show you one trick. Let's say for that I have to use go to view tab and select selection and see these shapes. This is the white shape and this is the triangle shape, right? And I can group uh, this shape. So I have to click one and click the second with control with while pressing the control button. I have to click the other one too and see both are selected. And if I click here, I can go group and group. So I can edit the name as a snipped snipped corner shape. Yeah, see. So we have created our visuals, and this visual looks a bit better than the plain paper, right? So we can add whatever visuals we want in this shape, right? So to do that, I have to I want to show you one visual. Okay, I will add matrix. I will decrease the size, and I'm going to add in row. I will use line item. In columns, I will use column header. In values, I will use PNL value. See, I have these visuals, and I can decrease the values. So to do that, I have to go values. I want to decrease, um, and I don't want any. I'm sorry, this is text color. I want the black color. I want the background black, and I want this one also black. I don't like that string. And how much do I have? Okay, so in this case, I can first I have to go to view and selection and see this is the group and this is the matrix, right? I can drag my matrix inside the group, and if I click here, it will increase the shape of all as a whole shape. Okay, so see it is working, it is looking good now, but still see it become distorted, and I want that. I don't like that one. Okay, I can I will decrease the shape size, and for this one is for triangle. Mm, I want this height and the base equal. For that I go to general properties, see, height is 36 and the width is 60, which is not good. So it was 37 earlier. And I'll also put 37. This looks better now. Yep, it fit. Still, well, I can always uh, arrange. Okay, arrange this. The position I want to put it horizontally back and vertically less. One more. Ah, I did. I think more. I did more than enough. So again, go to properties, position, horizontally. No, horizontally. I will go one to other side and please, let's say. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now it looks like it has fitted properly. See, and I can always add header. For that case, if I click in the matrix and go this general title, I can turn on the title and I can type insights. Okay, it is inserting inside this one, but I want to put over here, right? So for that, I can again insert table. No, I want to directly insert text box. Okay, sites. You can put whatever heading you like, right? So see, uh, this key matrix is outside of the group. I can drag it to inside and select it, drag. I want to remove the background. To remove the background, general effect and background turn off. And for this visual also, I don't need this has background in it, right? See, it has background, so I don't need that background. I can remove that background. Visual format, general effect, and background off. Right. So if I go here, okay, the visual don't have background, but still this one has background, right? So for that, I can go here in the visuals, and with this I can do none. Okay, right. See, it worked. Site perfect. Okay, so you can always rearrange your table, your visual. See, it has again. Okay, let's do. I think it problem error came because of this. All right, so this much for this video.